Welcome back. A hearing is set for next Tuesday in the case for Sean Diddy Combs. This just days after jurors delivered a mixed verdict in his sex trafficking and racketeering trial.
And that's when both sides will weigh in on a timeline for sentencing, which could be moved up from its October 3rd date if both sides agree. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles was in court for every day of this trial.
Celebrity had nothing to do with it. A juror from the Sean Combs trial saying they find any suggestion otherwise highly insulting and belittling. One person from the 8-man, 4-woman jury setting the record straight, but asking to remain anonymous out of fear of online bullying and cyber harassment. Also saying, "Our decision was based solely on the evidence presented and how the law is stated. We would have treated any defendant in the same manner, regardless of who they are. I have nothing else to say." The jury acquitting the hip-hop mogul of the most serious charges, racketeering conspiracy and sex trafficking, but finding him guilty on 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution. Combs' attorney saying he's ready to be moved out of MDC and go to prison.
Right now they're focused on getting him out of that facility because as he has said, that facility is not somewhere that he would like to be.
Combs still being held at the infamous Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn after being denied bail following the split verdict. During that Wednesday afternoon hearing, his attorney telling the court, "We want to get this case to sentencing as soon as possible, as we think we have very strong arguments that Mr. Combs would be entitled to a below-guideline sentence." Attorneys for Combs looking to the low end of sentencing guidelines at 21 to 27 months, but federal prosecutors aiming higher than that at 51 to 63 months. As far as his business empire, Combs has cut ties with Revolt TV, Ciroc, and the charter school he founded in Harlem, but is still the head of Bad Boy Records, Sean John, and an online platform called Empower Global, which have all taken a hit since his November 2023 arrest. Can he still run the businesses from jail?
He can run them from anywhere. You can still have your businesses going. The only question is, will the board of governors or the board of directors of your company, because most of his companies do have them, will they allow you to be? They may want him to step down, especially with all of the accusations that came up and all of the information that came out at trial.
Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.